So this is a recent project undertaken by Anderson Environmental at Withers Road in Kellyville. It encompassed the implementation of a vegetation management plan we wrote, and in line with best practices of ecological restoration, we supplied compensatory fauna habitat by way of bat, roosting boxes, small and large parrot, and also possum boxes, which were erected in amongst the management area. This project involved interplanting of native species within the management area to link up adjoining vegetation and improve the quality and viability of the community present. The plants were watered with a watering system to enable quick establishment of the plants, and monitoring plots were established to monitor vegetation response and recovery through time.